The CST Level 1 certification serves as the primary gateway to a professional surveying career. This 4-hour open book examination consists of 200 questions. Success in an open book environment depends on the quality of your resources. At a minimum, your kit should include a fundamental surveying textbook, unit conversion charts, and a first aid manual. These 200 questions are divided across 6 core work elements. The most significant weight falls on field equipment, with 75 questions, followed by survey computations at 50. The field equipment section focuses on practical maintenance and calibration logic. You will need to know how to use a bullseye level to ensure a prism pole is plumb, and the necessity of fully discharging NiCad batteries to prevent them from developing a memory. For the computation section, memorize this baseline metric. 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet. Mastery of the CST Level 1 relies on organized references and a command of fundamental spatial math. Question 25 provides a practical application of this logic. You must find the acreage of a rectangular borrow area measuring 5.7 by 8.6 inches on a map, scaled at 1 inch to 100 feet. A frequent error is multiplying the map area by 100, ignoring that scales represent linear distance, not area. You must square the scale first. 1 square inch equals 10,000 square feet. First, the map area. 5.7 times 8.6 equals 49.02 square inches. Multiplying this by 10,000 gives a ground area of 490,200 square feet. Divide that by 43,560 to find the acreage. The result is 11.3 acres. Pause the video and apply this to question 43. Convert an area of 97,530 square meters into acres using the conversion factor of 1 foot to 0.3048 meters. Squaring the meter to foot conversion reveals that 1 square meter equals 10.7639 square feet. Multiplying our starting area by this factor results in 1,049,804 square feet, which converts to 24.1 acres. Successful map scale conversions require rigid adherence to unit tracking to ensure spatial logic is preserved from the paper to the ground. Moving into 3 dimensions, question 44 asks for horizontal distance, given a slope distance of 495.31 feet and a zenith angle of 97 degrees 25 minutes. Trigonometric functions require decimal degrees, so convert first. Divide 25 minutes by 60 to find 0.4167. Added to 97 degrees, the input is 97.4167. Using the formula, horizontal distance equals slope distance times the sine of the zenith angle, we arrive at 491.17 feet. This math informs physical calibration. In differential leveling, question 13 asks why we must balance backsight and foresight distances. When distances are equal, a tilted line of sight creates identical errors on both rods. During subtraction, these errors cancel out, preserving the accuracy of the circuit. Field mathematics and calibration rules exist to systematically eliminate variables from real-world conditions. Question 45 combines map reading and geometry. You must determine the area of fill for a 1.5 to 1 side slope with a depth of 11.4 feet. The cross-section identifies the critical dimensions, the 11.4-foot vertical drop and unknown horizontal run. Multiplying the 1.5 ratio by the height gives a 17.1-foot base. Using the area formula for a triangle, 0.5 times base times height, we reach a final solution of 97.5 square feet. Take a screenshot of this summary and include it in your reference binder. Organizing your study around these foundational calculations and practicing your unit conversions provides the analytical framework necessary to succeed on the CST Level 1 exam.